Getting started with Melbox. To sign up, head to the Melbox landing page and click on the Get Started or Start for Free Today buttons. Fill out the registration form with your information. Be sure to take a moment to review the terms of use and privacy notice before clicking the checkbox. Terms of use outlines the regulations for using Melbox. The privacy notice focuses on user data, detailing collection, use, and protection of your information. Once done, click on the Create an Account button. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the email and click Verify Email to confirm your account. Now that your account is confirmed, it's time to jump in. Locate the Login button at the top right corner of the landing page. You can also find the login option on the Sign Up page if you already have an account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter the email address you provided when signing up, and you will receive instructions to reset your password in your email. To log out, click on the Log Out button located in the top right corner of your screen.